game na? Game na?
Game na,
Game na.
Tagalin. Sige, wait. Kita mo to?
Saan ka na, Baron?
Wait lang, ayaw magbukas eh.
Dito na ako. Ayan, ano ba laptop mo, bulok?
Ano ba yan, pre ah?
Tapos mo na kaya yan.
Wait lang, ayaw magbukas, pre. Nagdalag yata.
Ano ba kasi brand niyan?
Huawei.
Tapos mo na yan.
Huawei.
Hindi ba Asus yan?
Hindi, pre.
Tingnan mo, kami dalawa na kayo nung naglalaro na kami. Ikaw, Huawei. Why? O, tingnan mo.
Bakit?
Tol. Asus ROG. Oh, ang bilis ng processor. Intel i9 10th generation. Oh, tingnan mo naman. Sobrang smooth naman yan. Sobrang talaga. Walang lag. Parang mukha ko lang. Laptop mo, Baron. Parang FPS niya. Parang slow movie. Ano ba yan? Parang bagong.
Pre, teka lang, bakit parang ganun? Reverse yung kiss ko.
Makabaligtad yung mata mo. Parang ikaw naman, Baron mo. Parang ikaw, Baron yung laptop mo. Super smooth. Turbo speed! Boom! Ito na oh. Ano na? Saan ka na, Baron? Baron, nasa ka na? Lag ka pa dyan?
Wait lang, pre, nag-load pa.
Oo. Nakauwi na kami. Yung laptop mo, napapagod na. Ano ba yan? Parang ka naman di nag-gym yan.
Teka lang, pre, nag-load pa kasi. Maghintay kasi kayo.
Yung laptop mo, sobrang init na, niluluto na. Sino mo yung amin, ang lamig-lamig dahil sa napakalakas ng fan ng Asus. Asus to, pre. Wala. Smooth gameplay, pare. Ano na? Asus, mabilis dumating. Laptop mo, mabilis mapagod.
Bad trip, pre.
Ano ba yung Baron? Ang tagal-tagal mo. Para ka namang bano niyan. Ano ba yung laptop mo? Bulok? Una na nga ako dito, pare. Bagay. Saan ka na? Laro na tayo. Dito lang ako.
Huwag na nga, pre. Kayo na lang maglaro.
Tingnan mo, pati laptop mo, sumuko na. Ako rin eh.
Wala naman akong magagawa, pre. Pre, bakit ganun? Ang gusto ko gamitin ng Asus na to.
Siyempre,
Ang sarap sa panglaro.
bulok na
Pang work at pang school.
Pag kasi Asus kasi, smooth lang lahat, pre.
Alam mo, ayoko na. Tignan natin to, minaw. Basta kapag smooth.
Asus.
Oh, sige, next time. Asus na lang bibiling ko para smooth, pang school, pang work, at pang games.
Sige, tara.
Tara na nga.
Uwi na ako.
Here it is, the Asus laptop, a machine designed with precision engineering, built to handle demanding tasks and craft to deliver smooth performance. From gaming to creative work, every detail inside is optimized for speed, reliability, and efficiency. Graphics performance is supported by integrated or dedicated GPUs, paired with optimized cooling. This ensures sharp visuals, stable frame rates, and reliable rendering for gaming and creative applications.
Cooling is critical. Asus uses dual fans, heat pipes, and strategic airflow to prevent overheating, maintaining performance even during intensive workloads.
High-speed NVMe storage allows fast boot times, quick file access, and smooth workflow. From large projects to everyday tasks, storage performance keeps up with the user's demands.
In every high-performance graphics card, the foundation of reliability starts at the printed circuit board, the PCB. This board is where advanced components must be precisely installed and any error can mean disaster. But Asus dared to rethink the process entirely. Rather than continuing with manual assembly, they introduced a breakthrough Auto Extreme technology, a 100% automated production system. With over 180 innovations, Auto Extreme integrates super alloy power, aerospace-grade materials that deliver better voltage stability, higher efficiency, and more strong performance even under stress.
Product quality is always at the forefront of our minds. With the principle of design thinking, we are persistently finding ways to optimize every minute detail of components, circuit boards, and production process. This is the spirit of Asus Auto Extreme technology.
Precision matters. That's why Auto Extreme includes custom inspection systems that check every super alloy component with exacting tolerances. We are firming Asus' commitment to quality.
To achieve even better product longevity, we completely removed the use of plugs to minimize dust buildup and oxidation on the circuit boards and connectors.
There is also a surprising ergonomic benefit. The circuit boards are now perfectly smooth. No sharp bumps or no protruding components, making system builds safer and cleaner.
Beyond reliability, we are committed to environmentally friendly production by avoiding harsh chemicals and reducing electricity consumption by 50%.
Sustainability is part of the innovation. By removing harsh chemicals and cutting power usage, Auto Extreme cuts production electricity consumption by 50%. In choosing an ASUS graphic card built with Auto Extreme technology, you're not just getting raw power, you're getting precision, longevity, and an environmentally thoughtful design. It's the future of GPU manufacturing.
Asus lang. Asus na tayo.
Asus na lang ako next time.